Stop for a second. Everyone says you're lazy, not disciplined, not talented enough. But what if your hard work isn't the problem, but luck is? And before we start, hit subscribe. Close your eyes and imagine a giant jar. Not a small jar, but one so big it could hold half your body. Inside, there are 10,000 white balls, all shining and identical. Hidden among them, only 50 red balls. Now, imagine reaching in, hoping to pick one red ball. But you're only allowed 10 tries. Chances of getting a red ball? Almost zero. It's not your fault. There were simply too many white balls. You weren't failing, you just didn't get enough chances. Now, imagine I say, pick 1,000 balls instead. Same jar. Same red balls. Same you. If you could try 1,000 times instead of 10, wouldn't your chances change? Suddenly, hitting a red ball becomes much more likely. The jar didn't change. The balls didn't change. You didn't change. Only the number of tries changed. And that changed everything. Think about it, sometimes success isn't about being smarter, stronger, or more talented. It's about how many chances you get to try. Life works exactly the same way. Some people get 10 chances. Some get 1,000. Some get 10,000. Those who get more chances, they hit more red balls. They get more wins. More breakthroughs. More opportunities. And we call them talented, disciplined, or hardworking. Those with fewer chances, we call them lazy. It hurts when you try and fail. But sometimes failure isn't yours. It's just the number of chances life gave you. Scientists call them lucky days, one random day where everything clicks. Across careers, businesses, YouTube channels, studying, jobs, everyone experiences long periods of nothing. No progress. No breakthrough. Just silence. And then suddenly, one day, a spike. A moment that changes everything. Nobody knows when their lucky day will come. It could be one video away from a breakout. One study session away from clarity. One decision away from a completely new path. Most people quit too soon. They quit after 10 tries, not knowing their lucky day was try number 47. They quit after 2 months, not knowing the breakthrough comes at month 7. They quit after one failure, not knowing the next attempt could change everything. Think about yourself, how many times did you almost quit too soon? Here's the key, you can increase your chances. You can prepare for your lucky day, so when it comes, you don't miss it. Hit subscribe to make sure your lucky day doesn't pass you by. Like this video if today opened your eyes, comment, red ball, if you're ready to take more chances and win at life. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about taking more chances than anyone else.